how to create AI generated logo on Canva. So first step is to go to your browser and open canva.com website. So this will be your homepage. You want to click on the button right here in sidebar menu, and this will open you a prompt box for AI pictures. Now this will be everything you want to need. You will need. So you want to describe the image in few words. So we want to create a logo, and we will type in some prompt that will describe that logo. So make me prompt would be make me YouTube logo for gaming type of channel. Now you can select the style we want. We want, for example, yeah, smart one. I think that's good enough. You want to click on create. Make sure you have enabled these credits, so one picture will cost 1 credit. Okay, so this will be some logo we will get. Now of course you can edit it. Click edit design. So you probably don't want to have this YouTube channel gaming. You will just want to edit that one. And after you're finished with editing, you just want to click on share and then download to save it to your files. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next video.